Welcome to the Clean Catalog channel. In today's tutorial, we're walking through how to create an addendum for your catalog. Addenda are used to document any updates made to a catalog after it's been officially published for the academic year. If you don't see the addendum option in your account, just email our support team to have the feature enabled. There are two common ways institutions use addenda. Clean Catalog software can accommodate both methods depending on your preference. The first is to make edits directly to the course, degree, or text page, and then summarize those changes on the addendum. This gives end users the most accurate version of the page in one place, but it may cause page numbers to shift in the PDF version of your catalog. The second option is to leave the original content untouched and enter the revised information only in the addendum. This keeps PDF page numbers the same, but users will need to click into the addendum to see the updates. Once you're ready to create an addendum, log into your admin account and click Manage, Content, Add Content, Addendum. Enter a title for this new addendum, such as 2024 to 2025 addendum. The introduction field is optional and can be used for any notes or instructions you'd like to include. Below that, you'll see the addendum pages section. You'll add one entry here for each page in your catalog that needs a post-publication update. Each addendum page includes 3 fields. First is page. Add this by typing in the name of the course, degree, or text page you're updating, and then select it from the list. Any page added here will automatically display a note on the live catalog that directs users to the addendum. Next is the revision description. You can either summarize edits you already made directly on the page or enter the full updated text right there. Just keep in mind, if you enter the edits only in the addendum, you'll need to make those same updates next year when you're staging your new academic year's catalog. Finally, enter the revision date, noting when the change was made or when it takes effect. Once all of your revisions are added, just click Save. From there, you can add the addendum to your table of contents or reach out to us and we can place it at the very bottom of your PDF generator. Adding it to the end ensures earlier page numbers remain consistent. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about addendums or post-publication edits, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help.